that way.
Here we are, we're still in Claude Monet's Japanese garden. This pond is significant because apparently he used it in a lot of his paintings. This is one of the main reasons he wanted his Japanese gardens, for the water lilies. I don't know if you can see the fish down in the water, but a bunch of little fingerlings in there. Very pretty. See, this is what everybody should have in their backyard. A nice Japanese garden. Yes, dear, hang on. Yes, master. Yep, gotta switch to photo mode. The master has spoken.